Welcome everybody to this channel of Hanleck TV. There is a good news here. This news is about Malawi University of Science and Technology. The university is thinking of starting to produce laptops in the country, to manufacture laptops in the country. So it's a good news. I have no idea if there's any company in Malawi manufacturing laptops. Our universities were supposed to be doing this, to be manufacturing, like to be the leading institutions of manufacturing industry in the country. But it's like the universities in Malawi don't invest much in science and innovation. We only are busy putting much emphasis on academic lessons without actually digging deep into manufacturing and processing, so that as a country we can economically grow. The investors have good capacity because of the research they make to study, embracing advanced technologies for the benefit of the nation. And because of the knowledge the investor has, it's very easy for them to follow the procedures required for manufacturing drive in the country. So with this good news coming from the Malawi University of Science and Technology for manufacturing in the country, I'm confident that Malawi is taking a good approach. So there is this news which I would like you to hear. Just be around as I give you this information about the University of Malawi University of Science and Technology, as a report and message regarding this issue. Let me read it out for you. From drones to diocese, Malawi's master unveils ambitious plan to manufacture tech and medicine. Malawi University of Science and Technology, MASTI, has positioned itself as a solution 2030 university focused on using technology and innovation to address national challenges while training the next generation of African innovators. MASTI Vice Chancellor Professor Adres Malata discussed this on Monday in Lilongwe during a meeting with the Minister of Education, Science and Technology, Honorable Blight Saga Senior, to update him on several transformative initiatives underway at the institution, spanning technology, manufacturing, pharmaceutical, production, drone technology, and advanced medical services. Some of the key projects announced include tablet and the laptop assembly line. MASTI will launch its production assembly line for tablets and the laptops before the end of this year. The project, conceived by the university, will see Malawi join other African nations in local technology assembly. Funding has been allocated in this year's budget, making Malawi the latest country to assemble devices domestically. Pharmaceutical plant. An agreement has been sent to a company from Iceland with support from the Icelandic government to establish a pharmaceutical plant at Masti's Industrial Park. The facility aims to produce medicines locally, reducing dependence on imports. Discussions are advanced, with construction expected to begin next year pending equipment installation, drone, and data science academy. Masters Academy, supported by UNICEF, manufactures low-cost drones and trains students from across Africa in drone piloting and data utilization. The program reserves 60% of places for women and girls. The drones have been instrumental during flooding emergencies and have assisted institutions like MRI in tax compliance monitoring, MRA. Must hospital opening. The university will open its hospital this year, offering diagnostic services and dialysis care. 10 dialysis machines will be acquired, with the Ministry of Health expected to refer patients under a service agreement. MAST is also collaborating with Virginia Tech University to train Malawian youth in ultrasound cancer treatment, expansion and growth. MAST has grown from just 3 undergraduate and 2 postgraduate programs to nearly 60 programs. New campuses are being established in Lilongwe and other locations to expand access. The university's endowment fund has surpassed 10 billion Malawi kwacha, built through partnerships and institutional savings. The minister expressed delight at MAST's progress, noting he was involved in the university's conceptualization. He commended the institution for moving beyond traditional degree production to become a solutions-oriented university that develops tangible products and innovations. Professor Malata noted ongoing challenges, including the need for student hostels and full campus development in Lilongwe. She also addressed concerns about graduates from the Indigenous Knowledge and Systems Program facing labor market entry difficulties, confirming engagement with government and private sector to create opportunities. Hashtag education for all. Hashtag higher education. Hashtag innovation education Malawi. That's the news. I think it's a good news. As a country, we must be very proud of such a news coming from the University of Science and Technology. It is going to help Malawi to become one of the African countries putting much seriousness in innovation, science and technology for the development of our countries. Because if Africa is not doing much on advancing technology so that we should be part and parcel of it on our daily lives, then we will be left behind in terms of development, because the world today is advancing and technology is a must. And we should applaud the university for taking such a serious initiative, although it's not easy. But with focus and determination, this is going to be possible. And I'm so happy because the realistic goals are really quite affirming, meaning to say that they are going to be implemented, and we're going to see this within a short period of time. As I see, the time frame is very close of launching. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.